Hello everyone, here I'm going to share a script, Unity C# script for mouse hover effect in your Unity games. Let me show you an example. I have a scene here and there is an object, UI to the UI object. If I hover on this object, you can see that red rectangle appears, and I can add another objects to this script so they can be enabled and disabled when I hover on the UI element. This is my main UI element. It is an image, and I have this UI hover reveal script here, and I can add more images here. I can add more objects. This is the first object. I can add this one and also this one and this one. If I start the game, they are all disappear. If I hover on this object, they will they will be activated. That is the 2D object, canvas UI 2D object. If you are working with 3D object, here is the 3D object. A cube, it has hover reveal script. This one for 3D object, and it works the same way as that one, previous one. You can add any object to the script. For example, let me add sphere here. Okay, let me just start the game first, so you can see these 3 cubes. They are all activated when I hover on this main cube. If you want to add another object, you can just drag and drop this new object here and then play the game. Just like that. It is very simple script, only 38 line of code. I will share the link of these 2 scripts in the description of this video. You can copy and paste it, and yeah, that's all. Okay, I hope you like it, and bye bye. See you next time.